Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI art generator. Welcome to the channel. Let's dive into it. So on your Canva homepage, click on this create a design button and in this drop down menu, select the design. So I'm going to select poster and in here I'm going to click on apps and then I'm going to scroll down a little and select text to image. And then here I'm going to write down my prompt. And then I'm going to select a style. So let's select pattern here and let's click on generate image. And then let's select this one and let's resize it. And that's how to use Canva AI art generator. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.